How to remove facial warts. Although most warts will go away on their own, if you have a wart on your face, you may want to speed up the process. Luckily, there are several remedies you can try to remove warts from your face. Removing facial warts with home remedies. Try apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can be used on all types of warts. The acid in the vinegar attacks the wart area, causing it to peel away from the healthy surrounding skin, taking the virus with it. It is safe to use on the face and other parts of the body. Dilute it up to 50% with water. In fact, the malic and lactic acids found in the vinegar can help to soften and exfoliate the skin. These ingredients are commonly used to treat acne on the face. To apply apple cider vinegar, soak a cotton ball in vinegar about half soaked and place it on the facial wart. Then, cover the area with an adhesive bandage for 24 hours. Crush garlic and use it as a mask. Garlic's caustic effect will cause the facial wart to blister and fall off in about 1 week. The substance allicin in garlic has an antiviral effect that kills a broad spectrum of viruses, including human papilloma virus. Crush the garlic and apply it to the facial warts. Hold it in place with tape for 24 hours. Change the garlic and tape daily. Try using lemon juice. Lemons are an everyday item with a variety of cleansing properties. The citric acid in lemons contains vitamin C, thought to kill the virus that causes warts. This may also help to soften the wart, making it easier to remove. Apply to the facial warts at least 3 times per day. Attach duct tape to the wart. Although this remedy is not medically verified, some people claim that it works fast. Duct tape supposedly works because of how the body reacts to substances that are contained in it. The use of the duct tape will irritate your skin, which can cause the formation of antibodies that will help get rid of the virus causing your facial warts. This must be done for periods of 6 days, up to a maximum of 2 months. Cover your facial warts with duct tape when you sleep, and then remove it right away when you wake up in the morning. Repeat this procedure as necessary until the wart is removed. Apply a banana peel. Banana mash contains a proteolytic enzyme, an enzyme that breaks down protein that digests and dissolves the facial wart. This can be an easy and soothing way to remove facial warts. Use surgical tape to adhere the inner part of a banana peel to the wart overnight. The suggested treatment is 1 to 2 weeks. Other foods, such as pineapple, papaya and sauerkraut also contain this enzyme. Look into using betadine. Betadine is an antiseptic that helps fight the virus causing the facial warts. Betadine surgical scrub can be gently rubbed on the infected area for 5 minutes daily until the lesions resolve. Similar products exist in stores, for example, Bactrin or Bazooka. You can apply it twice daily. This treatment is not recommended for those allergic to iodine or betadine. Consult a doctor if your skin becomes irritated. Apply milkweed cream. Milkweed cream can be found at your local healthcare store or apothecary. An enzyme found in the milkweed plant digests and dissolves the wart. These products are made from the sticky sap of the milkweed plant. These plants have also been shown to be a possible anti-acne treatment. Apply to the facial warts at least 4 times per day. The secretion made by the plant when broken can also be applied directly to the wart.